Hello and welcome to Maths. We're doing Maths Foundation Paper 1, GCSE questions. This is question 12 on fractions. It says add 5/12 plus 1/6. We want to get the lowest common denominator. 6 goes into 12, so I don't need to change that, but I can multiply that one by 2. So I've multiplied 6 by 2 and 1 by 2. Now I can add them, 7/12. And I can't simplify that any further because 7 is prime. So just to confirm, 1/6 is 2/12, and that's what I've added there. That should get you 2 marks. Next question is multiplying 3/10 times 5/8, and they ask you to leave it in its simplest form. So there's 2 ways to do this. Either I could just multiply across straight away and get 15 over 80 and then simplify. What I prefer to do is cancel factors where possible. There's 2 5s there and there's 1 5 there. So I'm going to get 3 over 16. And that would be the same as if I worked out how many 5s are in here. Divide that by 5, I get 3. Divide that by 5, and I get 16. So I use cancelling factors to simplify, or you could multiply across and then simplify where possible. That should give you another 2 marks to give a total of 4 marks in that question. Let's look at question 13. It's on probability. There are 15 sweets in a jar. 4 of the sweets are red. So Jill takes at random a sweet from the jar. Write down the probability that the sweet is red. So looking for the probability that the sweet is red. The denominator is the total. In this case, it's 15. And the probability of the numerator is going to be how many are red, and it'll be 4. So 4 out of 15 are red. I can't simplify that any further because there's no common factors. And that should give you that 1 mark. The second part says there are only green and blue counters in a bag. A count is taken at random. Probability that the count is green is 0.3. So you have to work out the probability that the counter is blue. So we're looking for that one there. Remember, all probabilities must sum to 1. So 0.3 plus something must equal 1. 1 minus 0.3 is 0.7. So the probability that the counter is blue is 0.7, or 1 minus 0.3. That should give you 2 more marks there. Question 14, the last question for this video, is an algebra question. Y equal to 6x minus 5. Work out the value of 4 when x equals 4. So it's an equation, but in fact what we need to do is substitute into it. So we're going to replace the x with 4. So our skill here is substitution. So y equals 24 minus 5, which is 19. 6 times 4 is 24. 24 minus 5 is 19. And there you go, that's another 2 marks. So there we go. That's 3 quick questions. Adding fractions and multiplying fractions in a fractions question, probability, and algebra. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And good luck for your exams.